Ants play an integral role in garden ecosystems, contributing significantly to soil health, plant growth, and the control of pests. While often perceived as nuisances, ants provide numerous benefits that are crucial for maintaining a balanced and thriving garden environment. Firstly, ants are exceptional soil engineers. Their constant burrowing and tunneling activities enhance soil aeration and structure. As ants create their intricate networks of tunnels, they facilitate the movement of air and water through the soil. This improved soil aeration allows plant roots to access oxygen more readily, which is essential for their growth and health. Moreover, these tunnels enable water to penetrate deeper into the soil, reaching the roots of plants more effectively and preventing waterlogging on the surface. This process is particularly beneficial in compacted or clay-heavy soils where water drainage can be problematic. By improving soil structure and permeability, ants indirectly support the robust growth of garden plants. In addition to enhancing soil aeration, ants contribute to the nutrient cycle within the garden. As ants forage for food, they collect organic matter such as dead insects, plant debris, and other organic waste. They transport these materials back to their nests, where they decompose. This decomposition process releases essential nutrients back into the soil, making them available for plant uptake. The presence of ants can, therefore, increase the fertility of the soil, leading to healthier and more vigorous plants. Furthermore, some ant species engage in mutualistic relationships with certain plants, such as the acacia tree. These plants provide ants with food and shelter, and in return, ants protect the plants from herbivorous insects and other threats. This symbiotic relationship exemplifies how ants can directly support plant health and growth. Ants also play a significant role in pest control within the garden. Many ant species are natural predators of common garden pests, such as caterpillars, aphids, and beetle larvae. By preying on these pests, ants help to regulate their populations and prevent them from causing excessive damage to garden plants. For instance, ants are known to protect aphid colonies in exchange for honeydew, a sugary substance produced by the aphids. While this might seem counterproductive, the presence of ants can actually keep aphid populations in check, as the ants will defend the aphids from other predators but also prevent the aphids from becoming too numerous and damaging plants excessively. Additionally, some ant species, such as the red imported fire ant, are particularly effective at controlling the populations of other, more harmful pest species. Through their predatory activities, ants contribute to the natural biological control of pests, reducing the need for chemical pesticides and promoting a healthier garden ecosystem. Furthermore, ants aid in seed dispersal, a process known as myrmecochory. Many plants produce seeds with attached nutrient-rich appendages called eleosomes, which attract ants. The ants carry these seeds back to their nests, consume the eleosomes, and discard the seeds within or near their nests. This behavior not only helps in dispersing the seeds over a wider area but also ensures that they are placed in nutrient-rich environments, conducive to germination and growth. As a result, ants play a crucial role in plant propagation and diversity within the garden. This seed dispersal mechanism can lead to the establishment of new plant colonies and contribute to the overall biodiversity and resilience of the garden ecosystem. Ants also contribute to the decomposition process and the recycling of organic matter. By breaking down dead insects, plant material, and other organic debris, ants accelerate the decomposition process, turning organic matter into humus, a rich, dark soil component that is essential for healthy plant growth. This process not only enriches the soil with nutrients but also improves its texture and water-holding capacity. The presence of ants can thus enhance soil fertility and structure, creating a more favorable environment for plant roots and promoting overall garden health. Ants are invaluable allies in the garden, providing numerous benefits that support soil health, plant growth, pest control, seed dispersal, and ecological balance. Their burrowing activities enhance soil aeration and structure, while their foraging and decomposing behaviors enrich the soil with essential nutrients. Ants' predatory nature helps regulate pest populations, reducing the need for chemical interventions. Their role in seed dispersal promotes plant diversity and propagation. Furthermore, ants contribute to the decomposition process and form complex ecological communities that enhance the stability and resilience of the garden ecosystem. By understanding and managing the presence of ants in the garden, gardeners can create a thriving and sustainable environment that benefits both plants and wildlife. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.